Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about a couple different things in the page editor. We're going to talk about how to edit text, how to edit or add images, and what blocks are and how they are used in the editor. So we're going to look at a new page for an example of this. So I'm going to open up the Add New Page menu. I'm going to choose something, and then we are now in the editor. Okay, so for the simplest one, editing text, if there's already text there in the template, you can just click on it. You can go in there and you can type whatever you want, and then you have options over here on the side for changing the fonts. You can set from these presets, or you can click this button here and you can choose a custom font, or not font, font size, I'm sorry. But yeah, you can choose your different font sizes. So let's go with like 18. And then you've got your text color. You can have it be yellow if you want, green if you want, background color for the box. Okay, so that would be how you would edit text. Um, Now, how to add text. To talk about how to add text, we need to talk about blocks. The way the WordPress editor works is through blocks. This button up here at the top, the block inserter, will show you all these different things you can add to the website. Each one of these is a block. See this picture? This whole thing is a block. This is a block. This is a block. This is a block. It's basically these like little segments of things you can add to the site. You can move them around. Um, you can see like this right here is text, but I can move the block up and down to position it throughout the website. So everything is based on this block format. So if we wanted to add more text, we could do it a couple of ways. We can go in here to up here and say we could add a heading to make a certain type of text, or we could add a paragraph, so we could just, a bunch of normal base text. Headings have a couple different options for sizing and such. There's different options you can do there. So that's one way of adding text. But another way of doing it is you can go to one of these blocks, and at the bottom there's a little button here. This adds the block. You can add it from here, and it automatically adds it below that. So if you wanted to have something, say, below this right here, you could add it here, and it would show up here rather than down here. So these blocks are how you're going to navigate around the website and dictate where things go. Um, it's really intuitive once you get a hang of it. And the same thing applies to pictures. Pictures are also blocks as well. So there's already some pictures in here, but these are blocks. These are things you can choose from over here. If you wanted to add a picture, over here at media, you can look at images. You can make a gallery. All these different options you have here. A slideshow, you can add multiple images. But this one already has some images preloaded, so let's look at how you would want to add an image. You go here and then you click replace. You could either select an image from your media library, or you could upload it from your computer itself. So if you click upload, it'll open up your file explorer and you could choose your picture from there. If you click select image, you can have a couple options here as well. The easiest for you guys is probably going to be using the media library because it's built into the website. You can just upload your pictures there, and then from here you can use them anywhere on the website. So you just open up the media library, and here you go. You've got all the pictures we have uploaded so far. You can just click any of these, insert, and boom, that's the picture that's there now. You can change the proportions of it. Over here, there's a couple different options, and then you can like manually edit these as well. But that would be how you would edit one of the pictures that's already here. You could replace this one as well if you wanted. Same process. You just go here, click on one of these pictures, insert. It's here. You can change the focal point of the picture. If it doesn't fit the whole picture, you can change how it is, change the size, all that stuff. Now, if you wanted to add a whole new picture, like a whole new thing down here at the bottom, I want a slideshow down here. I want a slideshow. You click Add Slideshow. Now, this is a different type of block, but it works pretty much the same. You click Select Images, open the Media Library, and now from here you would select multiple images. Say you want these 5 images here. You insert them. Now you have a slideshow, and you can slide between the images. Simple as that. And you can change the slideshow to autoplay, and you can change how many seconds it goes between it. You can change the transition from that slide it just did. You can also have it fade. So wait 3 seconds here, and then it fades into the next image, and it'll keep doing that over and over. You can change the size of the images. You can change it to basically, there's a bunch of different options for you to change it, but that is how you edit and add images, and that is also how you edit and add text, and that is also an explanation of what blocks are and how they're used in your website.